Great shame. Let's have a look at the bottom here. BSV scales, the others simply can't. That is true. I get what you mean. It can process more payments. Okay, great. All right. Well, gold can give you a big dent in their head, whereas a softer metal won't. It doesn't really mean anything. It doesn't really mean anything in the real swing of things. Now, I know some people get really annoyed and go, well, yeah, but that's the whole point. Well, the whole point of what? It can't scale. Everyone's repeating the same old crap over and over again. Does anyone know anything about Celsius? There was a con. There was a scam right there. Celsius said a day before it collapsed, it had money to back up all its transactions. A day later, it didn't, because they were telling you what they wanted to hear, and they scammed and shafted everybody. Crypto needs pumping. That's the only thing that makes them go up. That's why the holders are so fanatical. True. And we had them on the show. And we had members leave this channel because it had become the BSV promotional channel. And we got rid of it. Ridiculous. Soren S. Let me just put Soren S. comment up on the screen. He said, I'm tired of this. Do your own research. Do your homework. I can only research the internet, and the internet is full of bull coins every day. Where can I find the info? At the library. Yeah, at the library. The only way is doing what we're doing here now. There you go, folks. Bitcoin is now broke 18,000. It's gone lower again. We might watch it go to zero here tonight. Crypto Elf of Rivendell. The argument has been around since its inception. People buy it in hopes numbers go up. Do you know why the only reason why stocks go up? Because people buy it. The only reason it goes down is because they sell it. That's it. You could sell absolute rubbish and there's somebody out there who will buy it. That's the reality. But nobody wants to say that because that doesn't sound very good. I've got a load of rubbish. Oh, Bitcoin's collapsing as we speak. There we go. Look at it now, look. As we speak, it's accelerating. Look at this. We're now 17,894. It's not doing what everybody said it would do, though. Go to zero in a heartbeat. But it's going down most certainly. Crypto Rebel. BTC can't be used for e-commerce because of the 1 megabyte blocks and giant fees. BSV scales and has tiny fees. That's true. That's a good argument. Nice one, Crypto Rebel. I like that one. I don't think that's one we can answer. I know it has problems with cash flow. Withdrawals are frozen, I believe. Do you know what? Here's one thing that nobody's even saying. No one's even saying, why do you invest in crypto? Why does anyone buy crypto? Any crypto. Why? Because you want to make some money, right? You want to make some money. Okay, that's all it is, right? You're not a fan of the word BSV, are you? You're not married to the word Bitcoin? No, couldn't care less. You just want to make some money, right? That's all you care about. You want to make some money so you won't have a financial difficulty in the future. Right, okay. Tell me now then. Tell me now. Do you think, let's take BSV or Bitcoin, couldn't care less which one. Right, couldn't care less which one now. Bitcoin, BSV, doesn't matter. Everybody's going, Bitcoin's really cheap now. It's $18,000. Well, forget that. It's about to go to zero, right? It's really cheap. Fantastic. I'm going to buy it. All right. Imagine. Let's round the figures up. Imagine it's 20,000 right now, which it ain't. Let's imagine it's 20,000. And it goes all the way up to 40,000. That is a gain of 100%. You've doubled your money. Brilliant. You've doubled your money. I told you Bitcoin was great. Bitcoin, I've doubled my money from 20 to 40,000. It sounds like this huge amount of money. No, it's not. It's 100%. That's it. On the other hand, you could have got your money and you could have done what I do. I've bought Virgin Galactic, which actually is a real product. It flies people into space. It's about to launch end of the year. It's got customers, real people, buying real tickets. If this stock goes from $6 to $12, you are up 100%. The very best you're going to be up with Bitcoin. Does that not make Bitcoin look absolutely stupid? Everyone's excited because Bitcoin sounds expensive. It's going to be $1 million. It's not about the money. It's about the percentage. If you are an investor, a real investor, all you care about is percentages. If I said to you, you can buy Bitcoin at 20,000 and I can guarantee it would go to 40,000, but knowing it can crash down to zero because it doesn't do anything, would you buy it? Well, if you'd buy it, this man's clueless. Because I don't agree with you. That's the argument. And that's the argument all Bitcoin and BSV fans have. You're stupid. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, I'm not stupid. I've been to 195 countries of the world, piano man. I've gone all the way in college and university. I'm not stupid. And the reality is, if Virgin Galactic, and I'm just picking one of my stocks, goes from 6 to 12, it's gone up by the same amount as Bitcoin from 20 to 40. That is a fact. If Bitcoin goes from 20 to 40, it's up 100%. If Virgin Galactic goes from 6 to 12, it's up 100%. I make the same amount of money. But guess what? It ain't going to go to zero because it owns rockets and ships. It has paying customers. And that's just one. In reality, Virgin Galactic, in my opinion, on the basis of strategy and analyzing the stock, is going to go to $100. What's that, 1,000%? Well, Bitcoin's not going to go up 1,000%, is it? And I don't have to risk a lot of money to do it. That's just sound business advice.